All right, we'll kickstart this edition with some news just coming in. The Uttar Pradesh governor's big remark on Hathras stampede. The governor says refrain from blind faith. A big accident happened in the case of Charan Raj. People should have not indulged in blind faith. I consider spreading this kind of misconception as a crime. Action must be taken against such people. That's a statement that is coming from Governor Anandi Patel. Governor of Uttar Pradesh has spoken about the Hathras stampede, saying that people should refrain from such blind faith. Also talking about the fact that this is criminal, essentially spreading this kind of misinformation and misconception is criminal is what she is said. Action must be taken against these people. People should have not indulged in such blind faith. A big statement coming in from the Uttar Pradesh governor on the Hathras incident, the stampede in Hathras in the state of UP. Listen to what she said.
जब कोई ये बोलता है कि मेरी चरण रज ले लो, माथे लगाओ, तो आपका सब दुख दर्द पूरा हो जाएगा। क्या होता है? बताइए ना मुझे। होता है? नहीं होता। सुदर्शन चक्र दिखाना तो भगवान कृष्ण ही थे भाई, सुदर्शन चक्र दिखाते थे और ऐसे लोगों को दिखाते थे जो समाज में अन्याय करते थे, उसके लिए वो करते थे और सिर्फ 3 बार किया, इसके अलावा नहीं किया। अंधश्रद्धा बढ़ाना और ऐसी ऐसी बातें हमारे भक्तजनों के सामने करना, ये भी एक गुनाह है और गुनाह के तहत उसको भी सजा होनी चाहिए।
All right, I'm going to go across the summit for more details on that story. An important statement coming in from a constitutional authority there, talking about the fact that spreading of this kind of a misconception. We've seen this has led to the death of 120 people in Hathras. It's a crime. Blind faith is a crime, is what she said. Samarth, in fact, I was asking you about the strong remark that has come in from the governor today. A constitutional authority talking about spreading misconceptions. Blind faith is criminal, is what she said.
Well, exactly. We haven't seen UP governor speaking that way in the past 7 to 8 years, at a time when a state government is quite mum over this particular issue of Baba Surajpal, and UP governor Anandiben Patel is quite furious over Baba and saying that I consider this particular act in the category of crime. That stampede, what happened in Hathras, was all because of the Charan Raj, the sand on which Baba moved from one platform to another, and the bhaks, the followers of Baba, ran into that particular portion to collect that particular Charan Raj, and that actually led to the stampede. That's what UP governor Anandiben Patel is claiming. She also used the term Andhvishwas. She says that we have to go over it and start thinking practically. That was the message of UP governor, and not just that, she's also demanding a strict action over Baba Surajpal. This is a big news because we haven't seen Baba Surajpal being named either in the FIR or in the initial report submitted by the SIT, where Baba was directly in a way targeted by the SIT team. Now judicial report is pending, and it will also come in some days. But this is something very big because first time a senior, and now what senior, she's a UP governor, she's questioning Baba and clearly saying that Baba should be punished for this particular act. It's only Mayawati, BSP chief, who in the political circle who raised this particular issue. No Samajwadi Party, no Congress, no BJP, nobody questioned. They questioned the stampede, but nobody questioned or targeted the Baba Surajpal. But this is for the second time, because earlier it was Mayawati and now UP governor. And when UP governor is saying something, this actually makes it a deeper thing, and now it's going to be worth seeing.